हेलो एवरीवन, सो वी हैव मिस्टर नागेंद्र हियर विद अस। इन्होंने अपने फ्रेंड के लिए वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग के थ्रू मिस्टर प्रकाश कुशवाहा के लिए अर्बन स्काईलाइन में एक फ्लैट बुक किया है। सो आई एम डैम श्योर कि ये प्रोजेक्ट उन्हें बहुत पसंद आया होगा, उनके फ्रेंड को बहुत पसंद आया होगा कि वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग पे ये बुकिंग हमें मिली है। सो सर, वेलकम टू अर्बन स्काईलाइन। सो मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगी, व्हाट डिड यू लाइक द मोस्ट अबाउट दिस प्रोजेक्ट?
Actually, we like the space, in the place where it is located. So that place is nearer to our flat, wherever we reside. We reside in Celestial City, and this project is just beside that project. And we saw the project plan and the carpet area, the dining area, and the terrace, and we liked the project plan, and that was in our budget. So we thought that let's search for that. Entire thing of the with related to this project, and we finally decided that we should go ahead and talk to our friend, and we told all the things related to this project to him, and we convinced him that this is the right project and within your budget. So you can go ahead, and if you say go ahead, then we can discuss more to negotiate on the price, and everything is done.
So to you and your friend, the main thing that you liked was our pricing and the amenities that we gave in that budget. So अगर आप compare करो around the locality, I'm sure आपने बाकी projects भी देखे होंगे, तो वो क्या unique factor आपको urban skyline के बारे में लगा जो आपने ये project को choose किया?
Frankly speaking, we have not seen any other project. We saw the just location nearer to our flat. That was the main reason.
So you like this project so much कि ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी आपको बाकी projects को explore करने की?
We did not inquire other projects.
And how was your experience with our sales team? How did they help you and guided you?
It was good. It was good, and they explained each and everything, whatever we asked, based on our experiences, what should we ask before buying any flat or any real estate property. So we got all the answers properly.
And amenities, if you have to pick few amenities that you like the most amongst all, so कौन सी वो amenities होंगी that you like the most?
Speaking, we were not interested in any amenities. We want the flat which is nearby our flat. That was the main reason.
Okay, but did you like the amenities that?
It's all the amenities basically are in the every township projects. So all things are included in this project also.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for being part of Urban Skyline. Thank you so much.